This is the new Samsung Galaxy Book range. Samsung has big plans for these notebooks and aims to mirror its success in the mobile market by applying smartphone thinking to laptops. These latest additions to the Korean giant's tech portfolio promise phenomenal display quality, beastly battery life and lashings of performance. The new range is made up of 3 models: the Galaxy Book, the Galaxy Book Pro and the Galaxy Book Pro 360. All 3 devices focus on mobile productivity and have been designed with hybrid working in mind. Starting with the standard Galaxy Book, this 15-inch device features 11th gen Intel Core processors, a Full HD display and Dolby Atmos audio. There's a maximum storage capacity of 512GB provided on a pair of NVMe SSDs and a maximum memory allocation of 16GB. It also includes LTE and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, as well as USB 3.2, USB-C and HDMI ports. Like the rest of Samsung's new laptops, the Galaxy Book comes with a 65-watt fast charger, which promises a full battery in around 2 hours. The new Galaxy Book starts from £699, while the top-end configuration will set you back by £1,099. Available in both 13-inch and 15-inch versions, the Galaxy Book Pro is the centerpiece of the new line. With higher storage and memory capacity, Thunderbolt 4 connectivity and a Full HD AMOLED display with VESA Display HDR 500 certification, this laptop looks like a productivity powerhouse, but still manages to be surprisingly slim and light. The keyboard has been designed for fast, quiet typing and features a large trackpad with a fingerprint reader for biometric login. There's also LTE and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility, as well as integration with the rest of the Galaxy ecosystem. However, only the larger 15-inch version benefits from an HDMI port. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 is a convertible companion to the Pro and comes bundled with Samsung's excellent S Pen for drawing and note-taking. The Pro and the Pro 360 share many similarities. The 360 is also available in either 13-inch or 15-inch sizes, and it also includes Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. Unlike the Pro, however, the 360 includes 5G support and a Super AMOLED display. Port choices are more limited here than with the Galaxy Book Pro, but it still includes Dolby Atmos sound powered by AKG speakers. Samsung's new Galaxy Book series will be available starting from the 14th of May, and if you pre-order a Galaxy Book Pro or Galaxy Book Pro 360 before the 14th, you can claim a free pair of Galaxy Buds Pro. Business-specific models will also be available at a later date, and Samsung will be working with its channel partners to bring the devices to enterprise customers.